Hello, Scott Varilek here, Sioux Center, Iowa. Koima Varilek Trading. Got a great finish to the week here on the livestock markets. We've got big triple-digit gains on the live cattle. It's the feeder cattle here as we close out the Thursday trade. We've got higher cash trade in the country noted. Packers are continuing to have to pay just a little bit more every week. We're up to 134 in the south and the north. We've got a lot of Packer participation. The producers got some leverage. Still the shift that when the Packer needs cattle, producers are able to say, hey, I want to ask some higher prices. So started the bids at 132, then 33, then followed through to 134. Some of the 134 trades or some of the trades that have happened are going to go as early as next week. Now, we've got a short slaughter week next week with Thanksgiving in there, so it really wasn't foreseen that the Packer would probably be out that hard. It's not generally a week that they're really raising their bids with a short week like that, but it just appears we have less numbers out there right now. So we're able to use the leverage. We're negotiating more cash cattle as of recent, which, yeah, to me, it's not rocket science. We have the ability to negotiate some more cattle, some more prices. We get some higher prices. The futures reacted positively. We're up against some contract highs, giving some real nice opportunities. Finally have some cattle that are, nicely into the green ink, and we have decisions that we can actually make. So it's been a little bit of tough sledding so far, trying to come up with a plan because you didn't have a lot of difference between your break even and where the board was at. Finally getting some nice carrots dangled in the deferred contracts to give us something to do. News story earlier in the week. So even a couple months ago, we had a couple of atypical BSE cases in South America and kind of got pushed away. Now we've got possibly a couple of human cases in South America as well. So some were calling for, hey, let's shut down some of the imports coming in from South America, but that story falls pretty quiet. Not hearing much action on it. I thought that would make a little more traction, but just something to take note. Keep an eye on that story there. Grains have had a big week. Funds are really interested in being long the grains. They've come up against some resistance here, so that corn starting to push pretty hard. We're getting up towards $6 on some of these contracts right near it. So going to maybe challenge our cost of gains that we figure a little bit. Make sure you're keeping an eye on that, not letting that get away from you. The risk of loss in trading futures and or options is substantial. And have a great week.